Hi guys. So in addition to the Spur API, which allows you to send messages and much more, you can also get webhooks for any incoming messages, delivery and status updates on any backend URL you have. How does it work? I can quickly go to this testing tool called Webhook.site to test out how it works. Paste the URL here, and then I can paste in a secret here. What does a secret mean? Secret means that if somehow anyone can get an access to this URL, this will act as a password. So they can't misuse your systems that you set to accept these updates. I'll enter these two things, enable the webhook, and hit save. That's it. Now, how will the schema be like for these things, these updates? It depends on the number that you have. If your number is on Infobip, this is the Infobip schema. If your number is not on Infobip, it clearly tells you what your number is on. You can view the original Meta Webhook schema. Let's try it out. So I'll go ahead and send a message to this number. So I just sent a hi. Let's see if we got a message. Amazing. So we just got an update. Let me show that to you guys. As you can see, I sent a hi, got an update. Now, what happens if I send a PDF? Here you go. Hit send. And then we can wait. Ta-da. So we got the message. We also got a URL for the PDF. Now if I copy this URL, then as you can see, the PDF is loaded. So this is really good for any status updates you have. And I can use it the other way around as well. So if I have a message like hi, just send a hi, and I'll head to Webhook, and I got the delivered message. So this is how the API works. The documentation of the schema that comes in is already in the pop-up here. Just paste in your webhook, enter a secure password, make sure it's not leaked, and it will work. Now you can build systems using both the Spur API and the Webhook Secret. Thanks a lot. If you have any doubts, let us know.